guys, it's the solution here. I'm out. After I showed you the last video, it has begun to rain a very lot. So right now I'm under a big tree with many grains and living under a tree. I just have to wait for a bit until the rain has begun to stop. So yeah, I'm just waiting outside this tree until it has become a bit more calm. Yeah, it rains a very lot. And there, as you can see, there was where I made the last video. Yeah, I will make another video when it has stopped raining and when I'm on my way home. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.